A book speaks. Book care. Let's go back to the poem A Book Speaks and answer a few questions. Tell me what happens when you drop a book on the floor.
People step on the book and it spoils the book.
Good. What happens when you tear out pages from a book?
It is painful for the book and hurts it as if it is thrown down.
What happens when you put marks and stains on a book cover?
It causes pain to the book and makes it dirty.
What happens when you throw the book?
Its pages tear, it gets dirty, and people step on it.
What happens if you bend a book? It becomes so spoilt that you cannot read it. So, children, here is a big chart. Take turns to come up to the chart and write what you will do or not do to take care of your books.
We will keep them safely in a box, a bag, or on a shelf.
We will not tear pages from any book.
We will not leave them in the sun or in the rain.
We will not drop water or juice or any food on a book.
We will not bend a book while reading.
Or keep it upside down when we are doing something else.
We will not write with a pen or pencil in our textbooks.
Very good. Let us put this chart up on the wall. Let us also promise books that we will do our best to take care of them.